divided him. Lynn, what's happened to yours? Like a sheet. Mine's sort of like hot, probably.
Right, what's the tactic?
And when you get to each bucket up there, you've got to toss it as you go past the bucket, right?
Right.
You can either stop or you keep on
Pancake,
running.
close to pancake.
Sorry?
Pancake.
You're out now. Yeah, the pancake.
Right. Just making
There's
sure.
always one, isn't there?
At least 12 inches, right?
I've got like 4 people.
Do you know what 12 inches is?
Turn around and come back. We're going to introduce them, so I want everybody just to give them a shout, a boo or hiss, or just throw money at them. First of all, we've got Simon Shaw. Take a bow, Simon. Wearing her design outfit. Stu Longstaff. Rachel Stamper. Leslie Cree. And John Ford. Where's your pancake at, Paul?
That was it.
It's the first 6 that's going to go through the final.
Must we?
So my disqualified.
Oh, but every bucket you go past, flip the pancake. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we've got.
You made that one yourself, Russell?
Yeah, I did. A frying pan.
That one?
Yeah, with a bottle of the champers. Second prize is the smaller prestigious frying pan, and the smaller the smaller bottle of champagne. Right, the grand final. These are the runners. So you need a pancake. So you need a pinch of pancake or somebody. Simon Shaw, Lynn West, Sue Longstaff, Leslie Cree, John Folds, Rachel Stamper, because she was tied to Leslie, Julie Webster, Jonathan Stamper, Julie Beaumont, Johnny Graham, Russell Norland, Keith Barlow and Paul Stanweir.
Paul!
Back. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Johnny's getting squeezed out. Simon. Come on, girls, you can do it. Who's on a trip of Sue Longstaff? It's Simon! It's Simon! We've flown him in. Keith's going to make the award. Right, so reverse order as they say. Big round of applause for Paul Stanweir for second. This time, Simon Shaw. Yeah, you can eat the pancakes now. Well done, everybody. We'll see you next year.